Hello, welcome back guys to Motorola channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to block unknown phone numbers on Motorola G6 Power. But before I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course you just have to open your phone applications like this. And after here, we'll see the three lines icon. You just have to tap on it. Now go to the settings options. And after in the settings options, we'll see here the block numbers options. If you want to block announced number, you just have to go to these options first, block numbers. At the first option, we'll see the noun. Here, I'm going to tap on the button beside it. And if it is a noun activate, so the phone will block calls from unidentifier callers, you guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.